This is the SpringThing 2 controller. It is a value pump controller that is manually calibrated. It has built-in reverse polarity protection and dead end protection, as well as a variable flow rate, a battery voltage indication, and offers a higher current rating. The controller does not come fitted with wires. Follow these steps to connect the wires. We recommend 1 mm squared tri-rated cable is used. Before wiring the controller, pierce the 2 flexi glands at the bottom of the controller using a sharp pointed object, such as a screwdriver. Then push the wires through the glands. Spring recommends the following wire colours. These are available as an optional spring wire and fuse kit. To wire the controller, start by connecting the brown wire to the +M terminal. Insert the wire and tighten the screw terminal with a small screwdriver. Do the same for the blue wire to the -M. This will connect the pump. Connect the black wire to the 0V screw terminal. Then finally the red wire to the +12V screw terminal. Place the lid on the enclosure and tighten the screws. Next, add ring crimps to the red and black wires and connectors to the blue and brown wires. Then connect the brown controller wire to the red pump wire and the blue controller wire to the black pump wire. Now fit a fuse holder close to the battery end of the red wire. Fitting an external fuse will protect the wiring. To do this, cut the wire and feed each end into the holder. Then, using pliers, firmly close the holder. Connect the red wire to the positive battery terminal and the black wire to the negative. Finally, fit the 7.5 amp fuse. Fuses should only be fitted once all connections have been made. To turn on the controller, press and hold the up or down button. To adjust the flow rate, use the up and down buttons as required. The flow rate can be set from 0 to 99. To go into calibration, press and hold the up and enter buttons. Then use the up and down buttons to adjust the value. Finally, press enter to set the value. The controller has a low battery cutoff setting that disables the pump when the battery voltage drops below 10.5 volts. To enable or disable this function, press the down and enter buttons. Now use the up or down button to select on or off, then press enter to set. To display the current battery voltage, press the enter button. Pressing enter again will return the controller to the flow rate. If the controller displays OC, then the pump is drawing too much current. Try lowering the flow rate and check the hose for blockages. If the pressure switch is activated or the motor is disconnected, the display will show PS. DE will be displayed if the controller detects a dead end. This will pause the pump when the flow is restricted, i.e. operating a pole valve or kinking the hose. The controller will restart the pump when the restriction is removed. To turn off the controller, press and hold the enter button. Turning the controller off using the power button will retain the last used flow rate for the next time the controller is powered on. For safety warnings and troubleshooting, please see instructions provided with the controller or visit www.springltd.co. Thank you.